Hey, it's Ross. The Monday Service portal allows companies to showcase and operate their entire service stack efficiently. Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up your portal, the values and benefits it brings, and how it can connect back to the Monday Service tickets board for a cohesive experience. Join me. Let's first talk about the tickets board. Here we have a fully customizable solution to keep track of requests and issues and all their information. It's important to note that each tickets board contains a pre-built work form to intake requests. And of course, you can edit and add questions to make it your own. Once you're done tinkering, you'll want to connect your email channels, sync your Google or Outlook account, or use our in-house Monday inbox. With this, set up your email address and customize the display name. Now, all communication can flow through this board, and any new email received at that address will automatically create a ticket. Now to the fun part, building out your portal. Find and copy the link to your portal from here. There's also a direct link to take you to it on the right side of this screen. Change the display name along with the branding color here. Even add a sleek background image. Alright, with the aesthetics in place, the content menu is where we'll add our support resources and links. Groups organize links in different buckets. These can be based on department or whatever suits your organization. We'll add groups for IT, HR, and Ops so we can create that one-stop shop for employees. Adding a link or form is simply always just a few clicks away. Remember that tickets form we customized earlier? We'll drop that in this group. Customize your resources and add a helpful description, even an image, and label to further categorize your links. Let's go ahead and add more supporting links to fully build this out. Okay, the security tab is where you'll manage access to your portal. Soon you'll be able to allow users not part of your monday.com account to access the portal, even create their own portal account to see their ticket history. Now, anytime someone accesses the portal, they can find support documentation or click on the form to fill out a ticket for our IT team to work on. Back on the board, a new ticket is created anytime a request is submitted. AI columns can scan the ticket and automatically categorize, set the priority, even summarize the information. Reps can click into the ticket overview page and get the necessary details before diving in to reply. AI will even suggest next steps and can start a draft response with one click. Not bad, right? Okay, users can head back to the portal at any time and see a detailed view of their tickets. See the assigned rep, search for a specific ticket, and click one open to see a full view of all the back and forth communication. Users can even reply and ask follow-up questions directly within the portal. Cool, right? And that's all for now. With the Monday Service portal and ticketing workflow, empower service teams to deliver exceptional support experiences faster. Click on the video for a full overview of Monday Service or the logo to try it out for yourself.